Hi folks, my name's Ole. This is my father Peter here. We're the founders of the Flitz company, and we started around 45 years ago. But we want to say thank you for everybody for their not only your support, but to wish everybody the very greatest 4th of July holiday weekend. My father came here in 1954 from East Germany following the American dream. And this is what we got so far.
And then we started hard work. We went up and down, but without our customers, they supported us. We couldn't be that far ahead like we are today. We appreciate that, and we have a little special also for that.
Correct. What we're going to do is give a 25% discount for the entire week of 4th of July. We want to thank not only the troops that are serving for us, we want to thank our customers, wish everybody a greatest holiday weekend, and God bless America.